Let's check out the brand new Grado Signature S950 headphones. This is an early unit that we've gotten, so it doesn't come with the original packaging. Let's see what's inside. Beautiful wood, and those signature Grado foam ear cups, leather headband. Looks like we got the mini XLR plug on the bottom. Let's see what else we got. This looks like some extra pads. It does come with this cable included. Comes with a 1/4 inch to mini XLR with a woven kind of fabric on the outside. We do make a premium dragging cable for this headphone. This is the mini 4-pin XLR connectors to a 1/4 inch Virotech connector. This is the premium version. You can get this in varying lengths to match